Life got you feeling like mashed potatoes? Let's see what's cooking. Once upon a time, a daughter complained to her chef father about her endless struggles. Tired of fighting all the time, she felt overwhelmed. Her father, silently, took her to the kitchen. He boiled 3 pots of water, dropping potatoes in one, eggs in another, and coffee beans in the last. 20 minutes later, he asked her to touch the potatoes. Soft. Break the egg. Hard inside. Sip the coffee. Delicious, aromatic. He explained. They all faced boiling water, but reacted differently. The potato turned soft. The egg became hard, but the coffee beans transformed the water itself. Which one are you?